Defining the world's colors in the name of titanium dioxide. HengXiang Chemical Products Co. Limited is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the R&D, production, sales, and service of high-end fine chemical products, standing as one of Henan's largest titanium dioxide manufacturers. The company operates 4 production lines utilizing both chloride and sulfate processes, primarily manufacturing rutile and anatase titanium dioxide series. Our products fall into 4 major categories, extensively applied in coatings, plastics, papermaking, printing, rubber, inks, chemical fibers, and beyond. 18 years of dedication, mastery forged through craftsmanship. With innovation as our pen and quality as our ink, HengXiang Chemical writes a green legend for China's titanium dioxide industry. From coatings to plastics, papermaking to chemical fibers, our products journey across continents, illuminating even the most nuanced color needs worldwide. Innovation creates extraordinary quality. Adhering to the corporate spirit of perfection in innovation, excellence in craftsmanship, and embracing green development principles, we continuously strengthen R&D capabilities and technological innovation. This fuels sustainable growth and injects green momentum into the chemical industry, while enhancing titanium dioxide performance in opacity, aging resistance, and dispersibility. We have achieved an annual production capacity of 100 tons and delivered products with 15 years of color retention. With titanium content exceeding 98.5%, we build an uncompromising quality assurance system. Sincerity builds unparalleled service. Guided by integrity first, customer focus, we refine strategies and leverage strengths to forge partnerships based on trust and synergy. Our tailored, human-centric service framework provides comprehensive solutions. From Henan to Southeast Asia, the Middle East to South America, HengXiang bridges collaboration with technology as our shield and integrity as our bridge. With 24/7 responsiveness and end-to-end support, we make Made in China an irreplaceable choice. Partner with us to showcase Chinese chemical excellence. Collaboration creates a brighter future. We champion technological innovation and human-centric values, embedding meticulous craftsmanship into every production step. Committed to revitalizing China's titanium dioxide industry, we earn trust through quality. Looking ahead, we will enhance global operations, R&D capabilities, and international competitiveness to emerge as a flagship enterprise in China's global expansion. Within 5 years, we will establish 5 global warehousing hubs, form a cross-border joint R&D center, lead value creation across the global titanium dioxide supply chain, illuminate every corner of the world with created in China titanium technology.